Okay, let's talk about these various planes and sections of the human body. First of all, you should know why do we do these sections along these specific planes. We do this to study the internal anatomy of the human body. So, in order to study the internal anatomy, now there are three most important planes or sections that we do most commonly, and these are axial, sagittal, and the coronal plane. Axial plane is also known as the transverse plane because it is cut along the body is cut along the transverse plane into upper and lower parts, whereas in coronal plane we cut the body along the frontal plane into anterior and posterior part, and in the sagittal plane we cut the body along the longitudinal plane into right and left parts. Now there is another plane which is known as median plane. You have to understand these two planes, the median plane and the sagittal plane. The median plane is also known as the mid sagittal plane. The only difference between these two planes is that one plane divides the body into two equal parts, which is the median plane or the mid sagittal plane, whereas the sagittal plane divides the body into two unequal right and left parts. So this is the only difference between sagittal and the mid sagittal plane.